The Yamaha kit comes complete, you know, with comes with everything you need for your Yamaha 1800s. Do a full oil change kit, comes with all your oil, your filters, everything you need to do a complete kit. Rich is going to take you through step by step on how to do it. This is all stuff you can buy at your local Yamaha dealer or on Yamaha's website. You can order the stuff right off the website. You can order a kit or drive to your local dealer, and you can be able to order everything you need right there. Take it home, and you can do your own oil change kits, or if you don't feel like doing your own work, you can take it obviously to your local dealer, which we always suggest. But if you're one of those type of guys like us that tinkers on their own stuff and works on it, here's a complete kit on how you do it, and Rich is going to take you through the steps on how to get that completed.
First thing we got to do, we have to cut the zip tie that we put on our we don't want this to pop out during the race, so we zip tie it to the motor. Then we have to use a suction pump. Most watercraft you have to use a suction pump. There's no way to drain it out, so you have to pump it out. Slide it in all the way to the bottom. Pump it up. The next thing we're going to do is remove the oil filter and replace it. We need to grab some rags and some paper towels to get underneath there, so if any oil does drain in there, it hits that paper towel and doesn't get in the hole. We'll take this, we're going to slide it underneath the oil cooler where the oil filter is, so we catch all the oil that drains out of the filter as we take it off. Now we got the rag all tucked in. I'm going to get my wrench to remove the filter. Nothing fancy. Number one rule, don't drop it in the bottom of the hull. You'll have a mess. Put mine in a Ziploc baggie, seals everything up. No mess. Get the new filter out. We'll lube this old O-ring right here with a little lube. A little Yamaha lube. Plug it up good. Just with your hand, no rinse. Now we're ready to finish sucking the oil out. Now we got all the oil drained out. Now we're going to put some new oil, fresh oil up in. Pull the cap off. Quart number 3. We'll put about half of the last quart in and then we'll check it. Right now we're perfect right between the two little dots, but now we got to crank it up and fill up the oil filter and then check it again. Run it for about 30 seconds. Shut it off. So now we're down to the first dot. I want it halfway, so put a little more in. Now we'll check it again. Perfect. Halfway between the two dots. Good to go. Take your funnel back out. Filler cap back in. Good and tight. Wipe off any mess you got left. Good to go. That's how you change the oil in a Yamaha 1800.